This is part one of my budget bike build for my Wahoo Kickr. The idea of this build is to build a budget bike that will only be used for the Wahoo Kickr. It's not going to have a front wheel or a back wheel. For the front wheel, I'm planning on building a special stand to replace the back wheel and therefore saving space. I've ordered most of the parts at this point from Chain Reaction in the UK, and today I've received the frame. I'll start by unboxing that and see what condition it came in. The box is in very good condition, and I only ordered this bike on Sunday, and today is Thursday, and it has already arrived. Okay, it comes with some documentation, lots of packaging. This is obviously the forks, which will open in a few minutes. And then here is the frame. Get that out the way. It is an aluminium frame, which I will put the description in the link to the bike in the description below. And there is the frame. The overall quality of the build is very good. There's no scratches or anything. Okay, that's the frame. And the forks. Very good. The frame is a brand X RD-01, and it weighs 1,782 grams. The fork is a carbon fork, and it weighs 667 grams.